Oh yeah. Yeah, that's tight. Oh, it's a big crack right there in the pipe. Big hole. Yeah, that looks too dangerous for me to try to go in there. I would, you need to definitely replace this kitchen line. Big hole. So, I don't know how much of that kitchen line they left in place. Probably all of it. So I would plan on repiping the kitchen. There's the clean out. That's actually located under the addition. This is cast iron pipe. You know, it looks in fair condition except that we saw those cracks back here. We'll get another look at them here as we come back. So, if you use Scott paper, there's a good chance you won't get any backups, and then if you don't have to snake it, your snakes won't get stuck in those cracks. That's the problem with cracks is, and I didn't see them coming back, so I guess I wouldn't worry about it. May have been mistaken. They sure look like cracks first time through, but a potential crack is not a crack. So if you're careful how you use the pipe, it could last you another 5, 10, 20 years.